why some people never seek validation. Some people never look for approval. They don't explain themselves. They don't try to impress. They don't need to be seen agreeing with the crowd. That's not confidence by accident. It's an internal shift most people never make. Validation is a shortcut. It feels good in the moment. Someone agrees. Someone approves. Someone notices. But it comes with a cost. The moment you seek validation, you give away control. Your mood depends on reactions. Your decisions depend on opinions. Your direction depends on applause. People who never seek validation learned this early. They stopped outsourcing their self-worth. Most people measure themselves externally. Likes, praise, acceptance, status. But external measurement is unstable. It changes daily, sometimes hourly, so people chase it constantly. And that chase becomes exhausting. Those who stop seeking validation switch the source. They measure themselves internally. Did I act with discipline? Did I follow my principles? Did I do what I said I would do? That's enough for them. This creates a calm most people mistake for arrogance. But it's not arrogance. It's self-trust. When you trust yourself, you don't need agreement. You don't need to convince. You don't need to perform. You move. Results follow. Noise fades. There's also a practical reason. Validation slows progress. Every time you explain a choice, you reopen it. Every time you seek approval, you delay action. Every opinion adds friction. People who don't seek validation move faster. Not in speed, but in clarity. They don't debate every step. They don't poll a room. They don't adjust direction every time someone disagrees. They choose. Then they commit. You'll notice they're comfortable being misunderstood. They don't rush to correct perceptions. They let time do the explaining. That's rare. Most people are uncomfortable with silence. Silence feels like rejection. So they fill it with explanations. People who don't seek validation are comfortable with silence. They don't rush to speak. They don't rush to defend. They know that clarity doesn't require commentary. Another difference is emotional independence. Validation seekers ride emotional waves. High when praised, low when ignored. People who don't seek validation stay steady. Praise doesn't inflate them. Criticism doesn't crush them. Their emotional range is narrow. And that stability compounds. This doesn't mean they don't listen. They listen carefully. But they choose selectively. Feedback from mentors matters. Opinions from strangers don't. They understand that not every voice deserves weight. You don't need success to live this way. You need a decision. The decision to stop asking for permission. To stop explaining what makes sense to you. To stop needing agreement to move forward. Build quietly. Measure yourself internally. Let outcomes speak. Because the more you rely on validation, the easier you are to control. And the moment you stop needing it, you become difficult to move. That's why some people never seek validation. If this way of thinking resonates with you, like the video and subscribe for more ideas like this.